I'm going to do the unboxing of this AC and give you the details of all the features available with this AC and a demonstration how it works and how the remote control works for this AC. Now I am going to give you a demonstration of this LG 1 ton 5-star AC. You can see the remote as well as you can see the LG AC in the screen. So first of all I will show you. First of all, let me switch on the AC. By clicking this red button, the AC will be powered on. As you can see, the AC is starting off. It is a very noiseless AC. The main feature of this AC is that the noise level is very low with this AC. It is around 21 dB. This is one of the ACs which has the minimum noise level, that is only 21 dB. Now I will come to all the features one by one. Starting off with modes. Now I am going to explain all the features of this AC through this remote control. I hope you can see the AC and the remote control, both the views in your screen. So initially you can see the AC is in cooling mode. See the fan, the sign of the fan, that means the AC is in cooling mode. This is the first mode of this AC. Now if I press this mode once, you will see a sign of A and a human face. This is the auto operation or auto changeover mode. In this mode, the AC will set the automatic temperature of this room. It will set the temperature automatically. It will keep an ambient temperature. Now, if we press the mode button again, it will come into monsoon mode. You can use this mode if you are in a very high rainy season or in the monsoon season. Next is, if I press the mode button again, it will come into dry mode. In this mode, you will only enjoy the fan. The AC will not work. You can only enjoy the fan of the AC. If I press again, it will again come back to the monsoon mode. So therefore, you have all these modes: the cooling mode, auto operation mode, the monsoon mode, the dry mode. The dry mode or the air circulation mode. Now, next is the arrow buttons. So these arrow up and down, these are the keys which are used to increase or decrease the temperature of this AC. So if I press down, see 27, 26, the temperature of AC gets reduced, and if we press up, the temperature of AC automatically gets increased. This is the fan button. This is the this button. With this button we can regulate the fan speed. Let's see how it is done. If you press 1, you can see in the video that the bar is continuously rotating. It is at the lowest level on pressing 1. If you press it, this confirms the lowest level, that is at the minimum level of the fan speed. If you press again, this is the second level. This first 2 bar indicates the low level of this fan. This comes the medium level. On pressing it again, this is the third stage. This 2 level indicates the medium level of the bar. You can see a small M written behind these bars. If you press again, now it is the high speed. you can see. So the first two bar indicates low level, the next two bar indicates the medium level, and the last bar indicates the high mode. That is, the fan speed is at its highest speed. So this comfort air button helps you to adjust the flow to deflect the wind in two different positions. That is, one at the upward position and one at the lower position. One very important thing about this AC is that you can use this 4-in-1 button or this mode to initiate the power saving mode. If I press this button once, see, it's showing that 80%, that is, the AC is running at a 80% power saving mode. You can see in the display that it is showing 80%. That means the AC is performing at 80% power saving mode. If I press it again, say it becomes 60%. That is, the AC is performing at 60% power saving mode. Again, if I press, it's 40%, and then it comes back to its original power. That means that you can set this AC at 4 different modes, that is 100%, 80%, 60% and 40% as per your needs. Now I will show you the swing function of this AC. So this is the button for the vertical swing function and this is the button for the horizontal swing function. So with these two buttons we can control the swing function. So this is the initial mode. That means in this mode the blade of the air conditioner will move continuously up and down at all its position. Now if I press it once, so it is at its lowest position. You can see in the video that the blade has fixed at its lowest position vertically. Then this is the lowest position. Now this is the second position, this is the third position, this is the fourth position, fifth position, this is the sixth position, and after that it again turns into the blade movement. That is, the blade will continuously move up and down. Next is the swing. Similar to this vertical movement, the horizontal movement is also governed by this button. You can see various movement patterns. In this mode, you can see in the AC, the right hand side blades are only moving. Okay, in this mode, all the blades are moving. The right hand side and the left hand side, both the side blades are moving. In this mode, the AC blades are horizontally at the left portion. This is the second left portion. This is the middle portion. That is, all the blades are at a horizontally straight to the AC. Now it's going towards the right direction. The blades are moving at the right direction. And this is at the right corner. This corner of the most corner part of the right side of the AC. This is the only the left portion movement. This is the only the right portion blade movement. And in this mode, the blade will move in all the direction from left to right continuously. Now I will show you the sleep function of this AC. You can see the sleep button. Press the sleep button once and you will see a sleep indicator. It is blinking in the AC, and in the right hand side you will see a timer. It is giving that 1 hour. Now with this arrow you can set the timer 1 hour to 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 7 hours. So up to 7 hours you can set the timer of this sleep timer of this AC. And if you want to cancel it, you can press this button to cancel the sleep timer. See, by pressing this set or cancel button, I have cancelled the sleep timer. Now next is the manual timer mode, where we can manually fix a time for the AC to operate. Like this is the timer button, press it once, it is on. So when it is on, press the up arrow to set the time. See, it is starting at 6:20, 6:30, 6:50, now it's 7:10, and set it. This is on, and now again press the timer button. Now you will have to set the off time. Now press the up or down button. This is the up button or the down arrow button. You can see the time. It is now at 12:40. Now if I set the time at 12:40, so we have set the timer both the on time and the off time. Now after setting up the timer, if you want, you can cancel the timer also. You press the cancel button. See, the timer is off. So I hope I have gone through all the function of this AC. The first is the comfort air that I have described to adjust the airflow to deflect the wind. Next is the light off button. This, if you press this button, you can see the light of the indicator gets off. If you press it again, it starts its display. Next is the modes. All the 4 modes: the cooling, auto operation, monsoon, and air circulation, or the dry one. The temperature up and down button, the fan speed button, the 4-in-1, the power saving button. That is, you can set the AC into 80% power, into 80% power consumption, or 60%, or 40%, or at 100%. Then the H cool button, the Himalayan cool button. This cools down the indoor temperature within a very short period of time. Then you have the swing buttons, the vertical blade swing, the horizontal blade swing. Next is the room temperature. If you press this button, it will show the present room temperature. See, this is showing 27 degrees Celsius. This is the present room temperature of my room. Next is the sleep button. You can set from 1 hour to 7 hours, up to 7 hours. You can set timer for sleep timer from 1 to 7 hours. Next is the timer button, which with this button you can manually set any time for switching on and off the AC. And this is the function button. The function button is helped to remove the moisture generated inside the indoor unit.